Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee, in a video interaction with Rahul Gandhi, discussed the economic fallout of the coronavirus crisis. This is the second installment of the Congress leaders' discussion series that began with renowned economist Raghuram Rajan last week. Banerjee said India needs a bigger stimulus package and money should be put in the hands of people to revive demand. The Delhi Police Cyber Cell has apprehended a 15-year-old boy in connection with the private Instagram chat group where underage boys from prominent Delhi schools shared pictures of girls from their social media accounts and passed crude and sexually explicit comments on them, even resorting to rape threats. The police has lodged an FIR in connection with the matter as well. So far, names of 4 private schools from South Delhi and 1 from Noida have been linked to the group. India recorded the biggest single-day jump in the number of coronavirus patients and deaths linked to the illness as 3,900 new cases were reported. 195 COVID-19 patients died in the last 24 hours. This takes the total to 46,433 COVID-19 cases in the country, including 1,568 deaths. About 12,727 patients have recovered so far. The recovery rate stood at 27.4% this morning. The interministerial central team that visited Kolkata, Howrah and certain other districts in West Bengal to assess the ground situation in tackling coronavirus reported that the state had the highest mortality rate for the disease in the country and blamed it for low testing, weak surveillance and discrepancies in reporting cases. The IMCT, however, noted improvements in the situation in Bengal since April 30th. At the same time, it highlighted the non-cooperation by the state bureaucracy. The Delhi government has imposed a special corona fee on the price of liquor across categories, hiking the cost by 70%. This measure came after huge crowds were seen at outlets across Delhi on Monday when liquor stores opened for the first time since March 23rd, ahead of the imposition of the lockdown. In many places, social distancing rules were flouted and police had to resort to lathi charge to force shops to shut. Maharashtra, which is worst affected due to the coronavirus crisis in India, has announced a freeze in all development spending for a year. No fresh hiring also is to take place. Maharashtra imposed a 67% cut in development spend for 2020 to 21, considering the economic distress that is likely to follow and a sharp erosion in its own revenues. The state government has stayed all new works except operational expenses for COVID-19 control measures. Petrol and diesel became more expensive in the national capital on Tuesday after the Delhi government hiked the value-added tax on auto fuels. The increase in fuel prices was to the tune of Rs 1.67 for petrol and Rs 7.10 per litre for diesel. The consumer now has to shell out Rs 71.26 and Rs 69.39 for every litre of petrol and diesel respectively in Delhi.